It's another day, another ColourPop! Guys, I'm so excited to say that because we have the new ColourPop Black Friday mystery box sitting right here. That's right, we finally have ColourPop's mystery box. Y'all know I have been obsessed with their mystery box for the last 2 years, and lately they have been slowing down with launching them, and I'm kind of upset by that. So you guys want to see whether this $49 mystery box is actually worth it and what we got inside? Well, then definitely keep watching. Okay guys, so I've been getting ColourPop mystery boxes for the last couple years, and I think it was like in 2022 they were releasing them on a monthly basis. But they've really slowed down in 2023, and I'm kind of like, ColourPop, are you okay? Who hurt you? Tell me. Because the last time they did a mystery box is 5 months ago. I think it was like their summer mystery box, and they haven't done one since. So I'm so excited to see what we got in here. Now, this was a $49 Black Friday mystery box, and it says this has a value of $122. You do get 9 full-size items in here. That includes a mega surprise, which I'm pretty sure the mega surprise probably is one of their mega size palettes, because like, that's the only thing that makes sense to me. But I'm so curious. Sometimes we have amazing stuff in here, and sometimes we don't. But either way, I have way too much fun unboxing these. Even if I do get duplicates, I add them to giveaways. But y'all know I love ColourPop, and y'all know I love a good mystery box. So I'm gonna stop talking, and we're gonna go ahead and dive right on in. Alrighty, you guys know the drill. I don't like looking, so I'm just gonna dig my hand in here. So the first thing we have is, oh my god, I just dropped it, is the fourth ray super fresh all over cleansing towelettes for revived clean skin. This has 100 of them in here, and this thing is freaking heavy. Now, I don't really use a lot of makeup wipes anymore, just because I know they're pretty harmful to the environment. However, I do always keep Maybelline in the house just in case anyone needs them, but I do throw them in the trash. I don't flush them or anything like that, and I try to recycle them where I can. But we do have this bad boy right here. I've never tried this. I think we might have gotten this in a box before. I'm not entirely sure, but I feel like we have. But here we have the fourth ray super fresh all over cleansing towelette. Let's see how much this is actually worth. Okay, so ColourPop, you are doing me dirty. Okay, so according to ColourPop's website, this little I'll just put it up on the screen. This little super fresh refill, I'm assuming that's what this is on sale right now for $4.80 when the original value is $12. So $4.80. We're gonna keep count of the value of this box to see if it really does equal 122. So far, I don't know, ColourPop. You're giving us sale items. I don't know. Okay, so next we have an eyeshadow palette. This is called Off Melrose. I've never even heard of this palette. Ooh, what? I've never even heard of this palette before. Oh, okay. Definitely not what I expected. I guess I thought maybe it won't be more like blues, oranges, maybe some greens and golds, because maybe I'm thinking like palm trees and stuff. But here's the Off Melrose Pressed Powder palette. I have actually never heard of this palette before, so like for me, this is kind of exciting because I do not have this in my collection. Not that I need to add any more ColourPop palettes. I'm pretty sure I still have over 100. But you know what? I digress. I still live and breathe for ColourPop palettes. So this is the Off Melrose. I'm wondering how much this is valued at. So right now this is not on sale. So this palette actually does retail for $18. Nice. I'm surprised I never heard about this. Oh. Number 3, we do have a ColourPop. This is a Luxe Velvet Luxe Liquid Lipstick. Oh. We have the shade called Zoom Zoom. Zoom Zoom Zoom. Make my heart go. Alrighty, so we have, it looks like a deep brown lipstick. Deep brown. So this is actually classified as a rich black cherry for luscious lips. It is on sale for $7. So thank you so much for adding another sale item to my box, ColourPop. But this is going to be a rich like purple cherry, which I usually don't really wear shades like that. So typically if I don't swatch it, it's because I am trying to save it for a giveaway just in case. But here we have it. I'll put the little shade in for you guys so you guys can see what it looks like. But here is a shade called Zoom Zoom. Up next we have a Cheek Dew Serum Blush. Ooh, I do not actually have this product. Let's see what this is in the shade called Kiss Kiss. Oh my god, ColourPop. Oh my god, ColourPop. This item too is on sale. So this is going to be classified as a warm peachy nude. I can definitely see myself getting into this color because I do love a good peachy blush. It's just like my style blush. But I love it that it is on sale, just so you know. Here is how that product looks. I'm wondering, this might be too deep. Oh, all right. So this is how the product looks. I'm seeing how this, I don't necessarily think that this would be a blush shade for me. I know that it's not just for blush. You guys can use this as a liquid blush, but you guys can also use this as like I think a lip product too, I believe. But this might be too deep for me, and it's very wet. This would be more like a bronzer shade on me. Damn, that sucks. I was kind of hoping it'd be like a nicer color that I'd be able to use, but I don't think I'll be able to use that. All right, so up next we have a Feather Effect brow pen. We have this shade called Black Brown. So here is the Feather Effect brow pen. I swear to God, ColourPop.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Okay, so I typed it into the search, the Feather Brow Pen, and everything's like $8, except for the shade that I have, Black Brown. It's on sale for $4. $4 this thing is on sale for. They're literally just throwing sale items in here. Y'all are so freaking cheap. Okay, so obviously I'm not gonna swatch this because this shade is definitely not for me. This is the deepest shade they have, which is their Black Brown. So unfortunately this would not be a shade for me, so I'm gonna pass this along. Plus I'm not a really big fan of like feathered brows on me personally. So I'm gonna go ahead and pass this forward, but we do have another sale item featured in our box. This is... It's actually kind of sad, but hilarious at the same time. Okay, so next we do have ColourPops. This is the liquid liner. We do have the shade called Ducky. What a cute shade, because my Kaya bear, she has little duckies that we call Mr. Ducky that she carries around, and now your shade called Ducky. So Ducky is not on sale, but it's going to be a bright bubblegum pink. Now I don't really use liners like this at all, so I'll still insert a picture. I don't use liquid liners. However, I'm happy to pass this forward. If this was like a cream gel liner, oh my god, I'd be so all over it. But liquid liners like this just don't really do it for me. But we do have a really bright bubblegum pink liquid liners, so not bad, and it's not on sale, so that is nice. All right, next we have another liquid liner. This time we have the ColourPop BFF liquid liner. We have the shade called The Hills, so it looks to be like this teal green situation, and this is another shade that is not on sale, but again, I'm going to insert the picture. The only reason I'm not going to swatch it is because I'm going to pass this forward, and I don't want something that's going to be on my hand to go in someone's eye. But here we have this shade called The Hills, and this one's not on sale, but if anyone out there likes liquid liners, like fun, cool colors, this could be for you. Up next, we do have a ColourPop. This is going to be a Super Shock blush. We have the shade called Count Me In. Well, would you look at that? This is another shade. This is another product that's on sale for $4.50 versus the $9. So the Count Me In is going to be classified as a soft pink shade. Ooh. I am curious to see what this looks like. This looks really pretty. This looks like this could be like a really pretty shade. Ooh, that's so creamy. Oh, no. See, now this I can get into. This is a really, like, look at that. You can barely see it popping up. Like, it is just so light in pigment. Now that's something I can definitely get into. It definitely has a light soft pink to it with like a little touch of like a peachy undertone. This is super, super soft. Very, very, very creamy. I'm actually excited about this one. This one in the Melrose place I'm actually excited about. Okay, not bad, not bad. Up next, they threw in a spoolie. This is going to be E14 brush. Is this counting as one of the items? So up next, there's a dual-ended brush. This retails for $8. So you do have a little spoolie on one side and a little brow fill on the other. Very, very nice size. Very nice brush. And I think this might be extra because I already have, let's see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I already have 9 products right here, and there's also a mega surprise, which I called it. It is a palette, but we already have 9 items. So technically there's actually 10 items in this box. And last but not least, for the number 10 item, we do have ColourPop. It's a Mood eyeshadow palette, and I believe this actually came out in 2020. Very, very gorgeous palette. I love this palette. I actually do own this from ColourPop because I thought this is such a gorgeous palette, but I'm curious to see if this is on sale. I hope not. Okay, so this is actually not on sale. So this actually retails for $35. And this is how the palette looks. Very, very, very beautiful. Like I said, I do own this myself, so I'm happily going to be passing this forward to somebody. But I will say this is a very gorgeous like fall tone palette. And you guys know that fall is my favorite time of year, so I'm so excited to see that this is in here. I think this is actually a beautiful addition to the box, and we actually haven't seen this one in here before, so it's really nice because I am seeing some rotated items in here for the first time. Typically we see a lot of like Lizzie McGuire or like Powerpuff Girls, and for the first time we're not seeing any of that, which is super refreshing. We're actually seeing just regular items from their website. So I'm gonna just quickly add up the total of this box, and we're gonna see is it really valued at $122. Okay guys, so I added up all the items in the box, and the actual value of this box is $104.90. So this says we have a $122 value. I don't see where we really have a $104 value in this box, but it's because quite a few items that they added in here were actually on sale. I don't know if they're being discontinued or they're just on sale, but they do this to us a lot, where they do tend to throw a lot of sale items into the box, or items that they no longer sell, but still at the same time, I still love it. That's the crazy part. Even though this box actually doesn't equal the $122 value, I still think it's a great box. You get 2 eyeshadow palettes. You have 2 unique eyeliners. We do have a brow product with a brow pencil. We do have a cheek dew. We do have a blush. We do have a lip gloss. And then there's also some makeup wipes in here as well. So what I really do like about this box is definitely a variety of mix that are in here. You're not getting one of the same product. I remember, I think the last box or 2, I got like 4 or 5 lip products. So it's nice to see them really kind of changing things up in this box. And while I won't get a use out of majority of the items in here, I'm so excited because I do get to pass it forward to you guys. And even though this doesn't have a $120 value, the fact that I only spent $49 plus, you know, some change, and I got 10 full-size items, to me, it's still worth the value. It's still worth the value. I still enjoyed it. I still think it's great for 50 bucks. This is a really great deal. So let me know down below what you guys think of this box. Did you guys like it? Did you guys not? Did you guys get it yourself? It's still on sale on ColourPop's website. I really hope that they would change it up. I don't know if every box is the same. Typically they tend to be the same, but sometimes they could switch things up. I really don't know. I always get asked that if every box is the same. I don't know. I would hope they're not. I hope that they're different for every other person, because then it makes it really fun. But yeah, at the end of the day, even though it doesn't have the right value, I still freaking love it, and I would definitely still buy the next ColourPop box. So that is my little short ColourPop unboxing. I really hope you guys liked today's video. If you did, please make sure you guys give this video a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already. I do post 4 to 5 videos every single week. Make sure you guys head over to my other channels, Art for Life. You guys get to see my cool, wonderful adventures, my amazing husband, Corey. And as always, the biggest thank you goes to these beautiful, wonderful Patreon members you guys see right here. Thank you guys so much for everything. And to my subscribers and viewers, thank you guys so much for being here. Whether you guys like this video, you guys thumbs down this video, you guys subscribed, you guys did not subscribe, either way, thank you guys so much for being here. I love and appreciate each and every single one of you. So with that said, guys, I love you, and I'll see you guys in my very next video. Bye! ColourPop, we have the new, now this says that this, here we go. So not bad, and it's definitely not. So I did the total box. Okay, so I added up all the prices, and the box actually retail values is at $104. The box retail value is actually $104.90.